Stop learning English like a subject. Yes, you heard it right. If you learn English like a subject, you start learning tenses, voice, narration, question tag, prepositions, blah, 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 and all, you are never gonna learn and speak English fluently. I am a trainer, I'm a career counselor. I get a lot of calls, messages, emails, and students have the single request that, sir, first, I want to learn English, and second, I have been practicing learning English for a very, very long time, but I could not learn it. I ask them, what do you do to learn English? They tell that I learn grammar. I watch such and such YouTube video, so and so YouTube video. I learn everything in tense like ta hai, te hai, ti hai, ga, ge, gi, blah, 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 and all. I tell them, my dear friend, this way you will never learn to speak in English, because speaking or learning English is purely an art. If you know that art and work smartly, you don't need to work very hard or put a lot of efforts. You need to put a little efforts smartly. If you do that, you will be able to learn it. If you don't do that, you will not be able to learn it. The question is what to do and how to do. Very first, you need a very strong willpower. Then you have to work smartly. Like I tell always that you should, in order to learn English, you should do 4 things every day to learn it. Number 1 is reading. You should read English every day slowly. With a pace. If you find a comma, you have to stop there for half second at least. If you find a full stop or period, you have to wait there for a second. If you find double quotation or single quotation mark, there you need to put little stress and read it loudly and properly. If you find any difficult word, just underline them. Find the meaning, sentence pattern, how to use them into spoken English. Use it many times. While reading, you don't learn reading only, you get correct words, how to use them, you learn grammar, you learn punctuation marks, you develop fluency, you get knowledge. Second thing, you should watch something in English every day. And you should start watching cartoon channels of kids in English, or you could watch movies also, but not directly Hollywood movies. You can watch short movies in English, neutral English. You should talk to somebody. But the most important thing that I want to tell you, you should do is that you should every day learn some sentences or phrases like I am at home, we are at home, you are at home, she is at home. Are you at home right now? You have to speak small sentences or phrases like I'm hungry now, I need something. See, if you do not know how to speak in English, you cannot speak English. But if you practice some phrases or sentences every day, slowly, your brain will begin to train yourself. Your brain will begin to train you. And that will somehow give signal to your subconscious mind that yes, now you can speak in English. At once, we cannot think or speak in English. But if we do these things every day, we will slowly begin to speak. On the other hand, what I notice that what students do, they start learning difficult grammar, they start making tenses, they start learning difficult words, but they do not learn the sentence pattern. Tell me, how is this possible that if you learn English like a subject, like you learn maths and all, how would you be able to speak it? You are never gonna speak and learn English. From today, please take this oath and, take an oath. And you commit yourself that now I have to learn English. I don't have to waste my time on too much grammar. See, I'm not against grammar. I also teach grammar, but not in very deep. I teach lightly and tell them that yes, you should do it. And I tell that you should follow LSRW, means listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They help you to speak better and proper English. Every day you should listen, you should speak, you should talk, you should learn grammar. And you should keep practicing while speaking, while listening, while doing act and all. Trust me, my dear friends, if you walk on this path with a very strong willpower and dedication, I'm damn sure after some months, you will begin to speak English. I promise you. And I'm damn sure you are gonna work on this. You are not gonna learn difficult grammatical rules, difficult words without uses, I mean sentence pattern and all. I'm damn sure you will do it from today. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy and be the best. And yes, if you want to join our online class, you can join that. For that, please call on 9952567745. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.